Hi, I'm Professor Dr. Shishir Shetty. I'm a cancer surgeon by profession, and it's my daily business to treat cancer. As I walk along my way, I see cancer increasing, and over the years, the number is going on. And that is a problem because today, our country is faced with a huge cancer burden. On the 4th of February, the world has labeled it as a Cancer Day. The whole idea is to promote, to make people aware of cancer and its issues. Cancer prevention is the mainstay that we have to focus. When I talk about cancer, we know that we are faced with a problem. There is a huge problem that the world is facing because in India itself, there is a 14 to 20% increase in the incidence of cancer. In women, breast cancers have increased, the lung cancers have increased, the head and neck cancers have increased. And when we look at these cancers, most of them is because of a lifestyle problem. And that's the price that we pay for modernization because we live in a very different world today. We sleep at odd hours, we hardly exercise, we eat the wrong type of food, and invariably you don't realize the problem today, but cancer is one of the problems that you are going to face. Apart from other non-communicable diseases like diabetes or hypertension, and this is the price that we pay of modern living. Unfortunately, we need to live like that, but at the same time, steps have to be taken to prevent all this. Say, for example, breast cancer. Can we prevent breast cancer? Or can we prevent any type of breast cancer? And if I look at prevention of breast cancer or any other cancer, then probably the Indianization, or it's high time that we went back to our roots and talk about the Indian way of living. That is, get up early in the morning, exercise, eat moderately, sleep well. I think these are something very basic. Your parents have taught you, you know it, but still we don't do that. We are in a very different world. We enjoy the things, unfortunately, what the things that we all enjoy are the things that are problematic. They say that a success of any place is associated with the number of burger joints and pubs that come up. But then that's a problem. We talk about living life, we talk about eating healthy, we talk about breathing a clean air. We are experts in creating a problem. We are amazingly expert at creating a problem and then trying to find a solution. Cancer is one such example. We managed to create, we managed to spoil our groundwaters, we managed to pollute the air, we managed to destroy everything Mother Nature gave us. We managed to destroy our own health, we managed to destroy our own body. And then when we wake up because of some disease, sometimes it is too late. The whole idea, we want to create this awareness among people, especially on the 4th, because the world over people focus it. There are ways that doctors and treatment of cancer can be focused. There is immense amount of funding, there is immense amount of pressure on the government to reduce this huge cancer burden. US just announced another moonshot. That means a huge amount of funding has been given for cancer research. Many people ask us what has been done over the years. People are still dying. Is this the nihilistic approach that people have? But let me tell you, 30 years back, if we were there, 35 years back, breast cancer, stage 1 was 75% survival. Today we talk about 98% survival. Today the number of cancer survivors have increased. It's not that India doesn't have anything modern. India has the latest of the treatment. And in fact, better and best treatment is available in our country. Whether it is robotic, whether it is laparoscopic, We are excellent at this. But the unfortunate problem is that people do not go to a doctor or a healthcare worker if there is a problem. If you detect a lump in your breast, you should go to a doctor. It may not be cancerous. If you got sore throat, if you got cough which has not healed, you are a smoker, you chew tobacco, you have already created a problem for yourself. It's high time that you visit your doctor and get a checkup done. If you have any problem, say in the GI, like bloating, which is very common symptom, but it is not getting treated, but at least show it to a doctor. You cannot keep popping Ayurvedic tablets just because it gives a temporary relief. It does, but it's not the long-term solution. You have to find out what is the problem. Our body is changing, our body is evolving, and you have to understand that as we grow older, we have to be fitter and better.